Good morning and welcome to another day of coffee and makeup with Crystal. Cheers. Let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to pull my hair back. I can't make up my mind how I want to wear my hair. At first I have it, like this, and then I have it all brushed back, and I've been wearing it like this for a long time, probably about 2 to 3 years. And so I guess I'm looking for something new. We're gonna sunscreen and prime with our Kosas Dream Beam. Make sure when you put on your sunscreen that you aren't stingy with it, that there's enough to cover your face. I was actually reading a research paper one time that the average American does not use enough sunscreen because the amount that they use is not enough to get the actual coverage that's on the bottle. Okay, we're going to prime with our Danessa Myricks Yummy Blurring Balm. Okay, and now that we have primed, we are going to do an easy look today. I'm just wearing a white blouse and I feel like going in with a very natural, basic look today. So I am going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. This has 4 colors in it that she names as a prime, enhance, a pop, and a smoke. Now with this palette here, I tend to use the same colors in the same way over and over, and that is completely fine. It's just 4 colors. We are going to take this pinky color over the brow bone area. And I do go all the way up with this one. I'm gonna go in this taupey brown area. We're gonna work this into the crease. I also take that brown color and I work it over the lid. And then you're going to take your finger into this one here. And this is her pop. So I just rub my finger in. And that is our simple eye look for today. So if you're looking for something that just takes a couple minutes to get it to go, you can do this. Now we're gonna go in with our foundation. I used the Makeup Forever HD Skin foundation yesterday, and I remembered why I love it so much. So we are going to use that again today. I'm just gonna pat it on around my face. And now we're gonna blend it in. So now that our foundation is applied, we are going to go in with the contour. So now that we are complete with our foundation, we are going to go in with our contour. And I'm using the Danessa Myricks Contour Balm. Now we're going to go in and blend that in. We're now going to go in with our Natasha Denona, the High Glam Correcting Concealer. And this goes a real long way, so you only need a little bit. Let's blend this in. Now that that is blended, we are going to go in with our bronzer. I'm using the Dior Forever Natural Bronze in shade 04 Tan Bronze. We're going to use our Sigma Powder Sculpt. Okay, bronzer's on and we're going to go in with blush. Today I'm going to use the Flower Blush Balm in the color Pinched. Now you can just directly apply a little dab to each cheek, to your fingertip, or to your palette, whichever you prefer. Today I'm going to go in and put a little dab on my palette and go in with a brush. Keeping with the theme, I just wanted to have a natural look with the blush as well. Now we're going to go in with our CoverGirl Simply Ageless, our pressed powder. Okay, now that our face is done, we are going to go in and finish up our eyebrows and our mascara. For eyebrows, I'm finishing up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ash Brown. Now that we have it lined and filled in, we're going to go in with the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Brow Fixer. Okay, our eyebrows are complete and we're going to curl our lashes and go in with mascara. The mascara that I love the most is the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. It gives length and volume. Okay, and then I also go in with the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara, which is a tiny little spoilie for your bottom lashes. It's more of a tubing mascara, so it doesn't come off as quickly if you have watery eyes. Okay, mascara is complete and we're gonna go in with lashes. Now today, instead of using the Kiss Ruffle lashes that I love so much, I'm going to use a more natural lash, and this is the Ardell Wispy Lash. I love these for a more natural look. They're lighter, they blend in easier. Okay, now that the lashes are on, we are going to go in with our lip color. So today we're going to use the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the color Trust Your Gut. Okay, and this is our look for today. So, thank you for joining in on another episode of Coffee and Makeup with Crystal. I ask that you subscribe, that you like, and possibly leave some comments that you would like to see in the future, or any questions you have, any answers you have. And until next time, guys, cheers.